Manipur to short maramli tribunal na thega khui phongmi haira. Khon ka zar rot khamra che ngaranda ka shok na chi haira. Systematic ka shoi zanga chi haira. Jiribam Imphal Railway Line ji apam khani wi eina sem khawai MB sna jawbana Union Sarkarli ka sathaira. Lekayang Thor, Tangkhul Express Pvt upau Ringyaophi Ningshen in a Midale, Pau Ping Maisaina and Nangrumsam. Manipur to short road kamrad with Independent People's Tribunal na Thegakui Pongmihaira. Maydegal Hakugizo communities welungle Kongaza road kamrad shoka haije spontaneous maningmana ngaranda kashok na chihaira. Violence shoka haije plan salagam ethnically target salaga kashok na kala Kongazarji state week kashoinala facilitate saya chihaira. Tribunal jiwi take a kui ana shataruk hung jigoda matiga ga report ji yautam telhili pongmi. Jury jina take a kui tishuda historical division maganda ethnic fault lines socio-political marginalization kala ngale khangayat higata factors hina kongazarji handming saka. Digital platforms li yangshat matai kawai systematic hate campaign in a soda political katana pingwi provocative tuina rod kamarat kala community kani mashit sang khangrokhi rasho khangsak na da hangsanga hangdekle Independent People's Tribunal ji People's Union for Civil Liberties BUCL na 2024 kum semgara former Supreme Court Judge Justice Gurian Joseph na chair saya Chile retired High Court Judge, ex-IS, IPS officer, advocates, academic journalists, writers, kala human rights defenders being members sarazang. Report china thega kuya tishuda Manipur High Court we Mayo 2023-27 jize khami jina Manipur road khamrat we khamataya triggers ngasai. Mayday being the scheduled tribes ST status mikhavai kaboli ngasunda yangsang mikhavai karochina directive kashokli kahangna. Atam hitharan Chief Minister Biren tanda kasa war on drugs campaign li ngasunda cookies ina Bobby Louis alleged link layer kaji jinala attention henme khangasakli zangachi. Link layer da thaikwe khangasak china community juwe tungli propaganda marming sakhawada report china hanga. Jury China State kala Central Sarkar khani ni wi ka shoila hanga. Sarkar na constitutional responsibilities saran masa thuwa ka chi hanga. Tribunal wi mangali shongchon khalei China violence jiwi systematic nature chithaya. Radical grouping wi role state institution shiryo ta ka hai kala zakshila ka hai crave humanitarian fallout chithaya hanga. Kala shim johoga hyping ngayin ga khui games li healthcare in hapok the basic living condition li relief measures vatla ka hai taikuyachi to shot hi handmake ngasakli media we ot ngarudla zanga ga chi hanga print media na mijangasa investigative theft khawat kala digital in social platforms na inflammatory pow jan kharop ngayaw ngasakta communities khani ngapak mai ngasakhawa ga chi hanga. Tribunal jina hitata recommend saya constitutional principle shurkawai kala accountability lengasa kawai parliament judiciary kala civil society da phaikar khui phulungra violence shoka haiji prop sa kawai special investigation team SIT sem khawaila recommend sai Manipur le kabong chingri ka high structural reforms community chan ngazek legal action kala sustained moral leadership mangina Kwira Paira Kuchi Tribunal Jin Hangsang. Jiribam Imphal Railway Line wuivang Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Leishamba Sna Jawbana Union Sarkarli two-pronged construction strategy shurkawai pohaira. MB Jinagahang 55.36 km Jiribam to Khongsang section G 2022 P Kachang Eina Commission Sagahaina. Taida clay segment Khongsang to None 18.25 km kala None to Imphal 37.02 km G Arila Magopranga bond, extortion, ngalei khamin, highway conditions, makamathana, maram sada, yariwi, kan kanawot yur khongli, kahap sampang shon gaji apam hi wuivang, railway jihan kabay apong gade, kwira kami, lifeline, ngasaya da MBS na jawaban hanga. Project ji kagup zingkum kani katum, jang luipai shina, gaji hang matinda, jiribam shong eina, sem gada, khalei ngasoda infal, shong la, sem maman kavai, MBG na kasathaira. Connectivity li kahap maleilak kala kamataya supply chain challenges maleilak project ji thakda sang sa khangasak tarkar sayada leisham bana hanghaira.
Ishi Rosella Nursing Institute hi ukrulli katharsada Nursing Institute chodale session ya achikomain habokta August 2025 en haboktale hili ishi na course GNM course 3 years si offer sa takline mia naw kala shinaw khanini jangbaye class 12 koplaka arts and science khanini na khuipaira kala ishi hili hostel available sa midlai shinaw ai na mia naw khanini wuivang atai ngai ta leye ishi limited seats ne ishi wi tang hi kamba som tang ukrol district session court khunuk changjili leitale ishi na offer aru leida le hi ishi wi infrastructure thalak tale kala ishi wi lab ping FON lab community nutrition lab kala ops and gynae lab him thashek ni ishi well furnished sa ta hai mi dalei candidate razang khangai bing na ishi wi number lam mi dalei chile la contact sa paira kala ishi wi institute era laka tata rang han ni paira ningshiya ka
Home card personal bingli talop atam chada mikhavai Manipur home card employee welfare association na Manipur governor li ngakaw haira atum na ngalangman kachangwe hapta khare mani ngakha tarik trawelungli mingasa khwai pohaira Governor AK Phalali Memorandum Mikasangli Association President Y Mangi Nakahang Home Guard Personal Ping Ngalangman Teolak Aina Sampang Salala Atumwe Ot Ngarut Ningajang Aina Sarashum Haira Pei Gajang Peugi Jura Ka Arina Dangda Marangwi Ngalangman Mamirangda Personal Kalashim Kurbingli Financial Kajot Sampang Sak Dalei Hanga Memorandum Jilikahang Home Guard Personal Pingwi Ngalangman Ban mikhavai hi sampang pangji kala ji equal pay for equal work constitutional mashunli madun magan kahai na gaji hangsang benefits li ngatai hang kahai maram hangda government employees ping dearness allowance DAW 39% hike sampanga ka home card personally 14% mangmi Russian supply maninga ka watman kakali ngasung khawai provisions malay mana kachila hanga home card personal hi securities set up we kamataya akana kachi hangta maram hi sakta yang khami pohaira Imphal babina arishongli khalei American Oncology Institute AOI mibing Manipur governor li sampangda sarkar scheme azingli cancer khangha maram ngasan haira Dilip Mangsuli, Chairman, American Oncology Institute, AOI, Kala Institute Chui Official Katumna, Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalali, Ayaraj Pavanli, Vasampanga. Institute G Premier Cancer Specialty Sada, Zadraga Hai Maramni Chairman Jina Pajitayam. Anagahang, India Li Cancer Treatment Units Hang Chuko operate Kasa Ngachayli, Akana Infali Kalaina. Kala Northeast li latest surgical oncology operating theaters akamang kaleji AOU na dahanga cancer kagazanaw 60% shika Ayushman Bharat PMJY kala CMHD card wi azingli ngahayaji official report athishuda Manipur li ari cancer kagazanaw thingjuko shikale kala achugum khaying gachangai na tangda Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Ayog Yochna ABPMJYW azingli beneficiaries shimkur 3.74 lakh ina 4,82,457 Ayushman card generate sada masang rangachi 2023 Maruni Chief Ministers Hakshil Ki Tengpang Chief Minister's Health Scheme azingli beneficiaries 6.83 lakh Ningshen sai Scheme jiwazingli medical treatment kami wuivang sarkar na lupa 153 crore shijin haira da hanga protest kasawi ngawun kharop rop kala adjourned tara khawelungli parliament monsoon session aya kupsang haira opposition na makhamya maram matailak ina Bihar electoral roll special intensive revision SIR li ngasan khawai demand kasawi protest majadla kachang akha kabam lok sabha li bill trada khani pass sahaira rajya sabha li trada mati pass sahaira marang magada akhaina pokta Pay magada akhaina tangda kabam parliament monsoon session hili matailak ina khangasan operation sindur Chilingasunda Prime Minister Narendra Modi na India with developmental kala military angret highlight sai External Affairs Minister S Jaishankar na Indus Water Treaty maramli India we uncompromising panganin jithaida blood and water will not flow together ashi aina tir malong rumarada ngawaw haira Session atamni kashok kamataya ochot ngachaili Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar na marang hangata akathang otpam joho kahai kala constitutional way Article 67A invoke sa kasaka charges li kazang Prime Minister otpam ina kagadat controversial bills introduced kasa online gaming bill pass kasa higata hizanga Lok Sabha na basa kahai bills the readjustment of representations of scheduled tribes in Assembly Constituency of Kwa Bill 2025, the Merchant Shipping Bill 2025, the Manipur Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill 2025, the Manipur Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2025, the National Sports Governance Bill 2025, the National Anti-Doping Amendment Bill 2025, the Income Tax Bill 2025, the Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2025, the Indian Boards Bill 2025, the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulations Amendment Bill 2025, the Indian Institute of Management Amendment Bill 2025, kala the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025, Rajya Sabha na pass sagahai maningaka Return Bill being the Bill of Lading Bill 2025, the Carriage of Goods by Sea Bill 2025, the Coastal Shipping Bill 2025, the Manipur Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill 2025, the Manipur Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2025, the Merchant Shipping Bill 2025, the Readjustment of Representations of Scheduled Tribes in Assembly Constituency of Kwa Bill 2025, the National Sports Governance Bill 2025, the National Anti-Doping Amendment Bill 2025, the Income Tax Bill 2025, the Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2025, the Indian Boards Bill 2025, the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2025, gala the Indian Institute of Man Agreement Amendment Bill 2025 hiping hina. Shayga khut kangasam zangda kachang akha kapam session hile productivity machui mana. Lok Sabha li bung thumrada shini mang ot sakwi Rajya Sabha li bung hang madida akha kapam sampanga. Governor Ajay Kumar Phala na internally displaced person IDPS we mingnin bing Raj Bhavan Imphali sampangda displaced shimkhur bingwi kasak kachot maram nganami haira governor li sam kaphangana IDB civil society organization ngadadai the way kathana bing zanga IDB mingnin bing jina athomui kasak kahap ngaphangda khale maram Shongfu accessibility, resettlement, ordering, healthcare, kala housing maram la hangam. Maram bingji concerned authorities li ngasan haira kala ji thaklak aina yangsang mikhavai sadalei gaji governor na hanghaira. IDB bingwi maram khangazai kazib chile commissioner home kala secretary to the governor la zanga. Durand Cup semi-final li Diamond Harbour FC na East Bengal FC li yuikuida final vahira. Tournament chili Zangkhare club china Kolkata we Kazoka Ganjuite club li Langkai khani akhai na yuikui haira. Ngahan hili Zangkhare na India we mathamai thui gajili kazang East Bengal li yuikuida final vaka hai hi yarui taraka wuivang mapaning kasa ngasai. Ara Durand Cup final di Diamond Harbour FC na defending champions Northeast United FC ling atakra फाइनल जी अखमा तारीख मगद कथुम थंग कोलकाता वी विवेकानंदा युवा भारती क्रीडांगन स्टेडियम नि रोंगमिरा लदलुइदा अचुई खमताया पाउपिंग मणिपुर टू शॉर्ट मरमली ट्रिब्यूनल न थेग खुई फोंगमी हाइरा खोन कजार रोड खमराजे ngaraند kashok na jihaira systematic kashoi zanga jihaira Jiribam Imphal Railway Line ji apam khani wi aina sem khawai MB sna jawbana Union Sarkarli kasathaira achu wi paw hiling jang haira paw na tak leina tum saikorali ringapha kala khamhai zimik shong saserno